Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a debris shield on your string trimmer. The first step to install the new debris shield is to clean the shaft and the mounting bracket. I want to get any dirt and old grass that may be built up on these items off. Now I'll take the hardware that came with the new shield. There's new mounting bolts, the metal strap that'll secure it to the shaft, and these reducer bushings. The bushings may or may not be needed. They do this so that the same shield can be used on many different models of trimmers. In the case of my trimmer, I will need these bushings. I'll place one of the bushings onto the shield and then slide the shield onto the bracket. I'll use a screwdriver to help position the reducing bushing. Now I'll place the other half of the reducing bushing onto the shaft and align the metal strap. And then I'll secure everything with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new debris shield on your string trimmer.